candidate for provincial governor, May 12, 2025 national, local, and parliamentary elections. We, the undersigned members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 14 city municipality for the candidates therein for provincial governor in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached to and forming part thereof is a statement of votes by the municipality city garnered by its candidate for the office of provincial governor. That after such canvass, it appears that Comentado Ares garnered 563,746 votes for the office of provincial governor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named winning candidate as the duly elected provincial governor, province of Bohol. Witness thereof, the official signatures and confirmed by Commerce in the province of Bohol this May 13, 2025. Signed, yours truly, Chairman, Tony Ahad, Vice Chair, and Dr. Pedro Ares, Secretary. Congratulations.